Question number 1. Severe deficiency of vitamin D results in the options: scurvy, rickets, night blindness, none of the above. And the right one is option B, rickets. Rickets, a rare disease that causes bones to become soft and bent. Question number 2. Deficiency of vitamin A results in the options: night blindness, rickets, scurvy, hair fall. And the right one is option A, night blindness. A severe deficiency of vitamin A can lead to blindness by damaging the cornea and retina. Question number 3. Which is the outermost planet in the solar system? In the options: Mercury, Jupiter, Neptune, Mars. And the right one is option C, Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and most distant planet from the Sun. It is the 4th largest and the first planet discovered with math. Question number 4. The nearest planet to the Earth is in the options: Venus, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter. And the right one is option B, Mercury. Mercury is usually the closest planet to Earth, though the distance between the two planets is constantly changing. Question number 5. Long sight defect could be corrected by using dash lens. In the options: concave, convex, diverging, none of the above. And the right one is option B, convex. A convex lens can correct long sight defect, which is also known as hypermetropia. Question number 6. Sun is a dash. In the options: star, planet, asteroid, meteor. And the right one is option A, star. Our sun is a 4.5 billion years old yellow dwarf star, a hot glowing ball of hydrogen and helium at the center of our solar system. Question number 7. GPS is an abbreviation for in the options: Global Pole System, Global Polysiliconium Store, Global Positioning System, Global Position Structure. And the right one is option C, Global Positioning System. GPS is a satellite navigation system that helps people determine their location, velocity, and time synchronization anywhere on Earth. Question number 8. A computer cannot boot if it doesn't have the dash. In the 4 options: loader, operating system, compiler, assembler. And the right one is option B, operating system. A computer cannot boot if it doesn't have an operating system. An operating system is the most critical piece of software in computer. Question number 9. HTML is an abbreviation for in the 4 options: high-tech markup language, hypertext markup language, high-tech meaningful language, hypertext markup link. And the right one is option B, hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. Question number 10. The gas used in a refrigerator to cool water is called in the options: nitrogen, carbon dioxide, methane, tetrafluorethane. And the right one is option D, tetrafluorethane. Tetrafluorethane, which is also known as R134A, It is a refrigerant gas commonly used in refrigerators to cool water. Question number 11. Meteorology is the study of dash. In the options, rain, iron, winds, atmosphere science. And the right one is option D, atmosphere science. Meteorology is the scientific study of the atmosphere with emphasis on weather processes and forecasting. Question number 12. Which is the smallest unit of data? In the options, bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte. And the right one is option A, bit. A bit is a binary digit and it is the smallest unit of data on a computer. Question number 13. The most abundant element in the universe is called? In the options, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, silicon. And the right one is option B, hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe and helium is the second one. Question number 14. The most abundant element in the Earth's crust is called? In the options, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, silicon. And the right one is option A, oxygen. Oxygen is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust. Silicon is the second most abundant element and aluminium is the third one. Question number 15. Which planet is called red planet? In the options, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn. And the right one is option A, Mars. Mars is named after the Roman god of war and it is often referred as red planet. Question number 16. Which planet is the closest to the Sun? In the four options, Venus, Mercury, Earth, Jupiter. And the right one is option B, Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and it is also the smallest planet in the solar system. Question number 17. The branch of physics that deals with the laws and nature of light is called? In the options, thermodynamics, optics, quantum mechanics, electrodynamics. And the right one is option B, optics. Optics is the branch of physics that deals with the laws and nature of light. Question number 18. The magnitude of earthquake is measured by? In the options, Beaufort scale, Richter scale, secant scale, none of the above. And the right one is option B, Richter scale. Question number 19. Instrument used for measuring very high temperature is called? In the options, pyroscope, pyrometer, seismograph, xylometer. And the right one is option B, pyrometer. A pyrometer is the instrument used to measure very high temperature. Question number 20. Who is known as the father of computer? In the options, Vint Cerf, Charles Babbage, Paul Allen, Tim Berners-Lee. And the right one is option B, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage invented the machine called the analytical engine, which is a model of today's computers. Question number 21. Electron was discovered by? In the options, Michael Faraday, James Maxwell, Yuri Gagarin, J.J. Thomson. And the right one is option D, J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson discovered the electron in 1897 through his experiments with cathode rays. Question number 22. The fourth state of matter is called, in the options, water, gas, steam, plasma. And the right one is option D, plasma. Plasma is called the fourth state of matter after solid, liquids and gases. Question number 23. Which of the following is the hardest substance? In the four options, copper, diamond, iron, silicon. And the right one is option B, diamond. Diamond is the hardest naturally occurring substance found on Earth. Question number 24. Urine is produced in the options, kidneys, lungs, large intestine, liver. And the right one is option A, kidneys. Question number 25. Diamond is an allotropic form of, in the options, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, silicon. And the right one is option A, carbon.